Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to discuss how we used an alert on the RSI on the 5-minute chart, which is different than my usual 1-hour chart approach. But in this pumping bull market, sometimes you got to take the dips where you can get them. So let's go to the chart. So I had set this alert several days prior. The alert goes off at 2:39 a.m. on January 4th. I had set the alert on December 30th, waiting for the right condition, because this coin link up has been bouncing up and down with all kinds of nice volatility, just what we day traders like. And I wanted to capture some of that. I traded this coin successfully a couple times in December. I was looking for a good entry point in January as well. So my RSI alert, here's my RSI readings right here. Goes off at 2:39 a.m. on January 4th, wakes me up, and I roll over, pull my phone out, and I look at Binance, and I see this. It's clearly in a dip sequence, but I'd rather see 2 or 3 dips, but I only see really one protracted dip here. So I guess we can count this one too. So what I do is I set a low buy order at 6.00, because at the time the alert goes off, it's between 6.69, 6.476. So right around 6.5, 6.6. I want to get a little bit lower, and I want to go back to sleep. So I set the low buy order for 6.00. I go back to sleep. Well, the coin drops some more. Picks up my buy order at 3:15, and of course at this point I don't have a sell order yet because I'm asleep. But I wake up around 7 a.m. I remember that I did this, and at 7:14 I've got a 14.67% profit, so I'm out. This day trade occurred almost entirely while I was asleep. And in 3 hours, I picked up nearly 15%. I did a nearly identical trade in ADA, Cardano, a little bit less, about 11%. But I'm not going to go through that because it's nearly identical to this. So this is something I've been doing for the last couple months, setting these alerts on the RSI. I have several set on the hour chart at all times. And again, with the current market conditions, I've been setting some on the 5-minute charts. I might do so on the 15-minute charts as well. But again, this is just another alternative strategy. Most people set alerts at certain price points, and that's fine. I do that too. But using the RSI, looking for these dip trades, this is a strategy that's done me well over the past couple months. So that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the additional tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.